Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice exponential equations. So let's see solution from here. We are given 6 power x multiplied by 6 power x equals 72. So looking at this expression, let's say we relate it to this. Let's say we have a multiplied by a. This equals a raised to power 2. That is, from here, we consider this as 6 raised to power x raised to power of 2 equals 72. And then let's multiply x and 2 together. So when we multiply x and 2, we have 6 raised to power of 2x equals 72. And by introducing log on both sides, we have log 6 power 2x equals log 72. So we have this kind of logarithm here. Let's apply this rule. If you have log p raised to power m, it is equals to m log p. So this is the expression we are going to apply. Therefore, our 2x becomes like this. We have 2x multiplied by log 6 equals log 72. So we divide both sides by log 6 from here. Log 6 cancelled log 6. We then have 2x equals log 72 divided by log 6. So from these expressions, we have to note that when we have 72 is equals to 36 multiplied by 2. Then we apply it here. So at this side we have 2x equals log 36 multiplied by 2 divided by log 6. So on getting to this stage, we apply the rule of logarithm from this above, that when you have log a multiplied by b, so this equals to log a plus log b. And then we have 2x equals log 36 plus log 2 divided by log 6. Then we can divide this separately as 2x equals log 36 divided by log 6 plus log 2 divided by log 6. So from these expressions, 6 is a perfect square, which we can write in 2 times. Then we have 2x equals log 6 squared divided by log 6 plus log 2 divided by log 6. So in the next step we have, so from the rule we apply above already, so we take these 2 here, as we have 2x equals 2 log 6 divided by log 6 plus log 2 divided by log 6. So here log 6 cancelled log 6. Then we have 2x equals 2 plus. So from here we have log 2 divided by, so 6 here, we have to write 6 as 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6. So then we have 2x equals 2 plus log 2 divided by, so log 2 multiplied by 3, it is equals log 2 plus log 3. And then from here, suppose I divide this, only this one, by log 2, we have 2x equals 2 plus log 2 divided by log 2 divided by log 2 divided by log 2 plus log 3 divided by log 2. So here log 2 cancel log 2, we have 1, and also log 2 cancel log 2, we have 1. Then we can see this expression as 2x equals 2 plus 1 divided by 1 plus log 3 divided by log 2. So from this also, let's say we have log a divided by log b, this equals log a base b. So we start this and we apply it in this. So by applying it here, we are going to have 2x equals 2 plus 1 divided by 1 plus log 3 base 2. And again we have to divide both sides by 2, or before that, let's find the LCM here. So we multiply 2 with this. We have 2x equals 2 multiplied by the whole of this. That gives us 2 plus 2 log 3 base 2, then plus 1 divided by 1 plus log 3 base 2. Then 2 plus 1, that gives us 3. So we have 2x equals 3 plus 2 log 3 plus 2 log 3 base 2 divided by 1 plus log 3 base 2. And by dividing both sides by 2 here, we are going to have, so, and here gives the final answer when we divide both sides by 2. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.